Everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to save in dollars using PiggyVest Smart Target. Now here's the thing, you can't actually save in dollars using Smart Target because Smart Target is for naira. It's only for naira, you can only save through naira, but there is another way to save. So you just go through your Flex Dollar account. Now, if your FlexDollar account is not activated, you first of all have to activate it using your BVN, input your BVN and everything, generate the FlexDollar virtual account number for transfers. Now, once you have activated your account, you can now click on Fund FlexDollar. Now, as you can see, there are two options. There is Buy FlexDollar and Bank Deposits. You can click on either of them. Now, once you click on either of them, you input the amount you want to fund or to send into your FlexDollar account. If you are converting from naira, you check the exchange rate. Once you're done with that, you just confirm and your money will be sent to the FlexDollar account. Once your money is sent to a FlexDollar account, you can now start adding either every day or every 2 days, and it serves as the smart target. Your account will be funded and your money will be saved there. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.